Today I am making a super flavorful chicken kofta hummus Mediterranean salad. High protein, fresh and perfect for lunch or dinner. Everything is made in the air fryer and the flavors are absolutely restaurant style. Let's start with the kofta. In a mixing bowl, add 1 pound ground chicken. Add half a chopped onion. Handful of a fresh cilantro. This adds the freshness and aroma. Now for the flavor base, add 1 tablespoon of a red chili paste, 1 tablespoon of a garlic paste, and half of a lemon juice. For the spices, add a half tablespoon of a garam masala powder, half teaspoon of a chilli flakes, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of a cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of a paprika, 1 teaspoon of a shawarma seasoning. Finally, drizzle a 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix everything really well until the mixture is soft, juicy, evenly combined. Also add a handful of parsley. This step is important. The better you mix, the juicier the kofta will be. Now it's time to shape your koftas. The mixture into the small round koftas. Place them directly in the air fryer basket. I am using Ninja air fryer, and lightly brush or spray with the olive oil first before you put the koftas inside. Air fry at 275° Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Then carefully flip them and air fry again for another 8 minutes until they are golden, juicy inside and crispy on the outside. Once done, set them aside and let them rest for a minute. Now for the plating, start with a generous layer of a creamy hummus on your plate. Add some roasted chickpeas for extra crunch and protein. Place the warm chicken koftas right on top. Now add a fresh spring mix along with a Mediterranean salad, cucumber, carrots, tomatoes, onion, olives, whatever you love, lemon juice, salt and pepper, and a sumac seasoning. Finish with a drizzle of a tzatziki sauce and a little olive oil if you would like. And that's it, a nourishing, flavorful chicken kofta hummus Mediterranean salad. It's ready. That's perfect for a meal prep and a balanced dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you will try this recipe at home. I will see you in the next video. Until see you. Bye.